Florida man. Out of his element, but in his element.
You are
In the wild of the cold.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue working on the rally raffle bike. I've got my crew in here in the garage already working, so let me introduce you guys.
In our clutch.
What's up, guys? Say hi to YouTube.
She's gonna resign.
Hey YouTube.
Hey, you
Hi,
too.
YouTube.
Ray, Matt, Fernando, Joe with a tire right there, Paul, James, and Chris from Florida.
Florida man.
All right, like I said, we're going to continue working on this rally raffle bike. They've already spent most of the morning taking it all apart. What are you doing?
Honestly, I don't know.
It's called a clutch remover.
Well,
Removing the clutch.
okay.
He's screwing this back on so that he can actually use this as a clutch to compress it and take the ring off the clutch.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you guys know what you're doing because I really don't.
Step over here.
I don't think he's like a rip guy in Tommy.
Okay, you can be right behind me.
No, there's something important behind him now.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
See, there's a seal here, seal on the other side, and then all these bearings I'm going to put re-lube and then put it all back together.
The heat didn't help.
Okay, good. Yeah, thingy.
Damn, I can't believe he has the tools.
Why can you not believe I have the tools?
Huh? 'Cause he has,
I can't believe.
Why not?
You think we were just gonna wing this and just smash it apart?
that's what other people do. You see on YouTube, it's like people
Use
just
your
like
hammer?
find a way to just do it.
James. James.
Yes,
Hold this crank.
Yep, Frank, bro.
Yeah, hold the crank, bro. Hold the rod.
Rod's a little more. Goddamn. Yeah, it's counter force right here.
This comes out a certain way. It's like just
Danny Martin, it'd be a lot cooler if you were. Alright.
yeah, like that. Exactly.
It's cool.
There you go.
Awesome.
Hard.
All right, so the crew and I have got the engine all torn down. Like I said, we're gonna replace the seals and the gaskets and leave the bearings alone because, like I said, there's only 14 miles on this bike. So, guys, good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thanks for coming and helping. All right. So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you all next time.